Git CherryPick is a command. So by the help of a Git CherryPick command, we can pick the changes for a specific commit ID. So Git CherryPick command is generally used when you want to backport your changes from your trunk branch into the a particular release branch. Let's say my trunk branch is, so I want to pick my changes for trunk branch to, let's say, 1.1 or 1.0 branch, or when I want to reuse a code into my current working tree. So in this way I can use git cherrypick command. So while using git cherrypick commands, a developer must be aware that he is not duplicating the code, and there are not duplicate codes are not there in the current working tree. So this is the things that need to be taken care while using git cherrypick command. And also there could be the possibilities of merge conflict can be arised while we are doing a git cherrypick command. So that things need to be taken care while we are using git cherrypick command. So the command format of git cherrypick command is pretty simple: git cherrypick and specify the commit id. Specify the commit id. From that commit id you want to pick a specific or you want to pick a specific changes. So let's take an example. Here I am, so I executed git init command. So I have created so my current directory is created, and this directory will be tracked by git. So let's say I created vim file.txt. This is change one, right? And let's say git add file.txt, git commit -m. I specify that this is my commit one, right? Let's say git log. So as you can see, this is my first commit. Now what I will do, let's say if I execute git checkout -v, if I create a new branch from over here, okay, so git status, I'm on new branch. If I execute git branch, so as you can see that I'm on new branch. Now vim file.txt change one. If I specify that change from new branch, all right. If I execute git add file.txt, git commit -m, specify that commit from new branch, all right. Now what happens that if I git moves to git checkout master branch, git status, git, if I specify that git file.txt, and here if I specify that changes from master branch, changes from master branch, all right. Git add file.txt, and now here git commit -m, new commit in master, right, all right. Git log -2. So as you can see here, now if I further change it, git file.txt, if I specify that new changes from master, all right. Now execute git add file.txt, git commit -m, new changes from master, all right. So if I execute git log -2, git log -3 command over here, so as you can see here, I have 3 commits which are present in my master branch. Now I want to bring changes for this commit id. If I execute git show command on this commit id, so let's wait. So this is my content git show. So here I have added, so this line is added changes from master branch. And if I go into the my git checkout, my new branch, okay, if I execute git cherry pick, so this is my commit id. If I execute git cherry pick, okay, now git status. So after so here git cherry pick, if I, so here git cherry pick command has picked the changes from this commit id into my current branch, and after executing this I have got a some merge conflict. So I need to resolve my merge conflict. So if I execute git status command, so they are saying that either I want to, if I execute git cherry pick abort, so this will my cancel my operations, okay, or I need to resolve my merge conflict locally. So let's first, if I execute git cherry pick abort command over here, so let's see what happens. So actually it will resolve, it will abort the operation git. If I again execute git status command, so I'm on new branch and this is clean. So let's do it once again, git status. So here you can see that I am getting merge conflict. So here this is thing. So change one, this is change from new master branch, and this is your new commit into the master. So here it says that this is the content which I am getting from your master, and this is the content from which I so this is the content from my new branch, and this is content from my master branch. So how I need to resolve it? It's pretty simple, just delete it, because I want changes from both the branch. Now so the merge conflict arises when the same changes are there in your current branch, or and as well as in your branch from you are picking. So if the same changes are present on the same line in the both branches, so git merge conflict will be arised, and we have to resolve this merge conflict locally. So now go to the, so git commit, git add file dot txt git commit -m of is specify that cherry picked changes. That's it. If I execute git log, so as you can see that this is my new changes. If I execute git show command, so here you can see my new changes. So here I'm getting my updated changes from master branch. So that's about git cherry pick command. So I think if you have any doubt about git cherry pick command, please comment it below. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.